first game of the season in the Premier League. 3 points on the board. Can you take us through that for us, please?
Yeah, I'm very pleased with the team performance. As I said, start of the competition, 3 points, didn't concede, didn't give the opponent too much room or opportunities. But on the other hand, I think my biggest letdown this afternoon would be in front of goal. For us, I think our decision making in putting away those chances. But again, first game of the season, pleased with the team overall performance.
And the camaraderie in the camp, basically, this is your second match coming back. 2 wins on the go. Actually, not conceding any goals. Conceding goals. So tell us through that how the camaraderie in the camp is and relationship and everything going.
Well, it's a work in progress. It's not going to happen overnight. We have a number of new players coming into the fold, so we get that chemistry. It's going to take time. But I think game, if you look on the last game and this afternoon, is a massive improvement in terms of performance. This afternoon we have a lot of possession. We move around the ball. Our counter press. So I think they're grasping the concept of what we want to do, and I think game by game you should see a better, more pleasant team.